See, you all know there has been a witness summon issued to our leader. This is the second day. Our leader came to appear based on the request by the CB officers. And you know what has happened. The whole India, whole media, everyone knows who is responsible for this incident, whichever happened in Karur. And definitely, we are always here to cooperate the investigation agency. And we know like who was behind this, and the whole Tamil Nadu knows. You know, the state, the same MPs from Delhi, they came and they did an investigation and they went to the press and they spoke what has happened in Karur. And apart from that, last time when Home Minister Amit Shah ji was present in Tamil Nadu, in front of him, the state, the district MLA, Karur MLA, the state BJP president openly mentioned that Sendil Balaji was responsible for the death of the 41 people. In front of Amit Shah ji, it was mentioned. So definitely, we wanted the investigation to go in proper, and we wanted the real culprits to be brought to the justice, and we wanted the investigation to go properly. And we don't have any hesitation to come and appear here because we wanted the justice to be given to the.
Who are behind this? As you were saying that we know.
No. See, we know, I have given all the examples whichever has been mentioned by the leaders. If I mention anything, that will be a one-sided one. And I have mentioned the issues. What are the leaders and the MPs, whoever has mentioned, I have already told that. If I mention something, it will be one-sided. We wanted the investigation to go in a proper way, and definitely we are here to cooperate all this. And all these incidents need to be taken into account, and all these investigations need to be done.
And we are elections on the very threshold. Any further interrogation dates?
No, till now there is no such information, and no further summons are issued. Thank you.
Do you see this as a political vendetta? So do you see this as a political vendetta?
See, one thing, I don't want to answer all these rumors further, and definitely we are not here to address any of those political issues here, and we have come for the investigation. Thank you.